Hey, what's going on YouTube? It's Mikey and we're about to do an unboxing video. Lately I haven't been putting out more videos even though I said I was, but I've been really busy with other things such as work. But now I'm back at it making videos. I'm going to try and put way more videos as soon as possible before school starts, because school starts in about 2 weeks. So I will put as much videos out as I can. So right now we're about to do an unboxing video. And I just got these Jordans that just released about maybe a few weeks ago. And I decided to pick them up because I felt like they were fire. These shoes are basically my favorite shoes of all time. Not the exact model, not the exact like pair, but like the model of the shoe is my favorite shoe of all time. And it came in like different like sorts of colors. Came in green, blue, purple, and orange. And it came with I guess another pair, which was the sixes. So I got the shoe. And I'm about to do an unboxing video and I will let you guys know what it looks like and what's inside and the packaging and all that good stuff. So let me get right into it. So right here is the Jordan box right here. See how it says Mike on it with the vintage Gatorade logo. I haven't seen that logo in a while. They're starting to bring it back slowly, but I haven't seen it in a while. Nike all across the box. And if you didn't know, size 9.5. And then I think it's a pretty cool box. Definitely has that old feel. When we get an opening. I opened this already, so that's why it doesn't look as clean. And it has Be Like Mike on it. And I like this, I like how this is. It's like a smooth finish, you know? It's so smooth on here. Not a lot of shoeboxes actually really do that. That's pretty cool. Cool. And it comes with a towel. Bro, this is dope. The old Gatorade logo, and it has the Jordan right there. Doesn't feel like your ordinary towel either. It feels really like, I don't know. It feels like, it has that retro feel to it. It feels like one of those old towels. It's not old, it's definitely new, but it's just like, it has that old kind of feel. And the wrapping paper is pretty cool. Look at that, it has like little droplets on it and stuff. That's pretty dope. And more wrapping paper. And the actual shoe. Okay. Let me get closer to you guys. Okay. Definitely an all orange shoe. The tongue's a little bit lighter, but that's cool. It comes with 3 laces. Comes with orange, white, and it comes with green. That's pretty cool. Oh dang, it says like Be Like Mike on the bottom of the tongue. Nike Air right here, embroidered in there. The leather quality on this is really nice, I gotta say. Like a lot of people were actually comparing these to the shattered backboards, and because as the leather quality is. And I thought, hey, it might be true. I saw a lot of reviews on these, and I was like, wow, leather on that. Everybody was just talking about how the leather on this, not gonna lie, they definitely outdid themselves with it. It's definitely soft, it's plushy, definitely A1 sauce right there. The sole says Gatorade on it, and it's kind of like a translucent one. Only thing that bothers me is since it is like kind of like that, hopefully it doesn't get dirty too easily, but wow, that's pretty dope. Yeah, here's the orange laces right here. See how it says Gatorade on it? I don't know if you can see that. It has Gatorade on it, and it has a little Gatorade logo right there in the heel. Dang. I gotta say, this actually looks pretty nice. I think the only reason why people kind of decide to have the shoes sit is because a lot of people were afraid of what's this gonna look like on an outfit. I mean, what I'm wearing right now, I can easily manage it with this, easily. Some people have a difficult time dressing and they feel like this is too loud and too bright. It's not that subtle of a shoe. I mean, it's an all orange shoe. You're gonna look like a pumpkin. Like, what else are you gonna do? I feel like that this can go with a lot of outfits, just this particular pair, because they also came with a lime green, purple, blue, and this color. And my second choice was gonna be the purple one, but I didn't feel like that wasn't gonna go with a lot of outfits. But I am Kings fan, so now I just realized that. I'm just like, oh dang, that could actually be pretty cool, but I ended up getting these. What made me disappointed was the fact that they did sit on shelves because people just didn't like these, and I felt like the reason why they didn't like these is just specifically because it's too loud and it's all one color, and they thought it was ugly. I'm like, I mean, they're not ugly, they're pretty fire. You just have to find an outfit with them, or it'll be a pretty cool shoe to keep, you know what I mean, just to have. Because one of these days they may be worth something, you never know. But yeah, they came out the green, lime green, purple, blue, and this color. They also came out with the Jordan 6 that was all green and then red with a red accent, which I thought was pretty dope. It had like the little Christmas colors to it, but I thought it was actually pretty cool. It was all suede and everything. I was like, oh, that's cool. I was gonna pick that up, but decided not to. I just went with this one. Also, what kind of made me like kind of confused was the lime greens actually sold out, surprisingly. They sold out within a matter of minutes, and I felt the reason, I have two theories basically on why the shoe sold out. Two theories. One, that they made them limited on purpose because they knew people weren't gonna buy them, so they're like, why are people gonna buy a lime green shoe? Like, what are you gonna even do with that? Like, so they made them kind of limited, but it actually ended up selling out because people actually wanted those. It's either that, or they limited it on purpose because they knew they were gonna sell out. And it was like probably a very, very exclusive colorway. I don't know, the case may be, but those sold out, and some people really have. I know some people actually do have those, and those are actually they look pretty cool in person. Don't judge a shoe by what you see online or even this video. Like, once you see them in person, they actually look pretty good. They're actually a pretty good looking shoe. Maybe not in photos, maybe not online, but in person they actually look pretty damn good. So what I have to say about these is that they're nice. They have really good just the little details is really cool that they did on it. Not a lot of shoes. I know a lot of shoes are starting to like make little details to shoes with collaborations and stuff. That's really cool. I think it's really cool. And the Jordan box, the towel, the box itself, it amazed me how they put this together. It's pretty cool. And I know people got like major YouTubers got way better boxes, but still the box is pretty cool itself. That basically ends my video. Just let me know what you think about the shoes or the whole pack in general in the comments down below. Follow me on Twitter and Instagram at NiceMike, nice with 2 E's, _Mike. Instagram, Twitter, whatever you guys may choose. And you know, I'll try and put more videos out later. I'm getting into vlogging now, so I'm gonna eventually make pickup videos while vlogging. So I might go downtown, I might go to different stores, pick and choose or whatever, and I also might go thrifting once in a while. So just like, comment, subscribe to my channel. Promise I'll put more videos out. I'm just a very busy man with work and everything. But hopefully, eventually I will get to this close to full time at least. So thank you for watching. Like I said, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.